Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 155 Grange Road. And then moving into the property where the vestibule opens into the open plan living space, which has double doors going out into the garden from the rear. And then a good size bay window facing towards the front of the property. Moving through, we have the inner lobby with stairs leading up to the first floor, and we also have an understairs cloakroom with wash basin and toilet. And then continuing through to the dining kitchen. Lots of natural light here from the double doors and the Velux window. And there are also integrated appliances within the kitchen, including the cooker, hob, fridge freezer, dishwasher and washer dryer. And then on to the first floor landing, a particularly spacious area of the property. And we've got a built-in cupboard which also houses the gas boiler. And just starting from the back of the property, where we have the rear bedroom, which has view across the garden from here. And then we have the bathroom. And then continuing along to the middle bedroom. Again, really good proportions to the bedrooms in this property. And another window facing towards the rear of the house. And around to the front bedroom. As we can see, excellent size, also having a built-in cupboard in the corner and then facing towards the front of the house. Then moving outside into the rear garden where we have the patio area which leads down to the main garden section. Small pond on the left hand side, and going down towards the shed, the far end of the garden. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing for this one. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.